S-Bling on the track.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my flat twist. I'm in no way a professional on flat twist. I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do my flat twist. So in this video I'm sectioning my hair in 2 sections. I'm going to be making 4 flat twists going backwards. So I'm going to section my hair in 2 sections and I'm going to hold one part down. Now I'm sectioning one of the sections into 2 so I can start with my flat twist. Hey guys, so I really suck at sectioning my hair, so don't judge me. Thank you so much. Okay, yes, let's keep going. So now I'm going to hold that part down just so it doesn't disturb me when I flat twist. I'm going to moisturize my hair and detangle it a bit, and when I'm done doing that I'm going to start flat twisting. So the thing here is, on the left side of your head you use your right hand index finger to make the parts. You see, I'm making one part for the flat twist, then I'll be using my left hand to roll that. You're making twist, but then you're not going out of your hair, you're moving downwards like you're making a braid, a cornrow, sorry. So you use your right hand index finger, you push that through, you pick up some extra hair, and then you use your left hand to separate the twist and twist it over, and use your right hand, your right index finger again. So basically on the left side you're using your right index finger to separate the twist, just so you can pick up hair and also twist it over to the other side. I really do hope I'm making sense though, but yeah, I hope you guys can watch and see what I'm doing. So I'm going to continue doing that till I'm done with the 2 sections, and then I'll show you how I flat twist on the right side of my hair. It's basically the same thing, just that you'll be using your left index finger to separate the hair and pick up more hair as well.
S-Bling on the track.
So starting with the second flat twist, you'll see I'm going to use my right index finger to make a part, the first part. Then I use my left hand to pick up that part and separate it. Then I use my right index finger as well to pick up the next part, and then I hold the part I separate with my left fingers. So I hope that makes sense. Use your right index finger to separate and pick up extra hair, but then you use your left hand to hold the parts you separated, and also separate the other part of your hair from the rest of your hair. I really do hope I'm making sense, guys. I really do hope I'm making sense, but this is the best way I can explain it to you guys. So yeah, just if you keep watching it over and over again, I feel like you get a hold of it. But this is how I would do my flat twist. There are different ways to do flat twist, but this is how I would do my flat twist. on the right side of my head, I'm going to be using my left index finger to separate the twist and pick up hair as well. Then I'm going to use my right hand to twist it and also separate the section I used my index finger to separate away from the other section of my hair. I really do hope I am making sense, but I'm going to use my left index finger to make the part and then separate it with my right hand. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm using my left index finger to separate on the right side, just so I'm able to mirror the left part of my hair. If I use my right index finger to separate the hair, it's going to look the same throughout the head, but I wanted like a mirror effect. That means it looks like the same on the right side and on the left side. It's mirroring each other. But if I wanted the twists to all be the same, it's going to, I don't really like how that comes out. So I usually do the mirror effect basically. So yes, that's all I'm doing. I really do hope this video the way I explained this video was really helpful. Now I'm going to twist the ends, and when I'm done twisting the ends, I'm going to start with my edges. Okay, so guys, we know the edges struggle. Here I'm just using a slick edge argan oil edge control, a random edge control, and I'm going to be trying or attempting to lay my edges with that. And when I'm done, I'm going to secure my hair with a silk scarf. Ignore the white patches and everything. It's going to go off eventually when I lay down my hair and tie it down with the scarf. When I'm done with my edges, I'm going to apply a little bit of Eco Styler gel at the top of my hair. I'm not really a fan of using so much gel. When I'm done, I'm going to take out the scarf, and I'm going to be using this Marley hair. I think it's Marley hair, and I'm just going to comb that out a bit just to fluff it out. I'm not detangling it, I'm just fluffing it out, and yeah, just so it looks a little bit natural on my hair. When I'm done fluffing out the hair, I'm going to put the strands in a ponytail. Well, I'm just going to put them all together using the scrunchie I used on the hair. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to twist it around to make a bun. I'm going to twist the Marley hair around to make a bun, just so it's like a twist and a bun, a flat twist and a bun. I really do hope this video was helpful. I really do hope I explained this in a way you guys can understand. And if you should try making a flat twist, please tag me in your pictures. Thank you, and I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button, and if you comment if it was helpful, please share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.